How to fix unable to connect accounts in Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, you can check for the latest version or the updates on the Epic Games application on your device. So just make sure that you have the latest version. Next, what you can do is make a long press on Epic Games and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear cache. If it's possible, you can also clear all data by tapping on it again and delete all data. Next, what you can do is go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the required options right over there. Then go back and tap on the power button and reboot your device, and this might fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.